If you do one hike in Alaska, make it this one.
If you love a short, easy hike with a huge payoff, you are going to want to save this post. This is Byron Glacier Trail, a 2-mile trail less than an hour from Anchorage. With minimal elevation gain, Byron Glacier Trail is a super easy hike almost everyone can do. As you walk to the glacier, you will have incredible mountain views the entire time. We literally felt like we were in Switzerland. There are benches towards the end of the trail to take in the view, but you can also continue to the very end of the trail. That does require some scrambling over boulders though, so keep that in mind. One important thing to note, this trail does have a high avalanche risk all year round. Check conditions prior to going and make sure you always carry an SOS device that you keep within reach when hiking. Don't forget to save this post so you can do this hike when you travel to Alaska.